This album artwork is so good.
That's
Thanks
dope.
so much.
Dude, that is
I've
actually fire.
been
Literally, the
employing,
ship's on fire.
Ship
Thank
is
you.
on fire. I have been employing all of my AIs
Love that.
to do some really cool things. And
Which AIs did you use?
I used, shoot, where is it?
Sorry, everybody. We'll put a pin in what I was saying. We need to figure out how Trace made that.
I have been using, I use Gemini a little bit. I use GPT a little bit and kind of did a back and forth thing with them. Gemini leaves a watermark on stuff. So I had to drop it into Photoshop and like crop some stuff and get some stuff to move around. But actually, let me show you again, now that I know how to get to where I'm going. So the ship, my tattoo artist, a guy that I follow a lot, drew the ship, dropped it into I think it was Chat GPT, and said, "Hey, this is kind of the idea I'm looking for," and dropped in John Mayer's Born and Raised album cover in as well, and said, "Think of it in this theme," and then went back and forth for a handful of days getting it to be what I wanted to. But Gemini dropped like a watermark right here. So I had to copy, paste, flip, filter, and then blend in stuff over here to make it look right. But
Cool.
came out really well, really excited about it.
And how much did it cost you?
I paid my tattoo guy $200 and I did everything myself. I mean, I guess $20 for like monthly.
Mm-hmm.
But from that,
So you were saying 200 is like the yearly subscription?
no, 200 was what I paid my tattoo guy to draw just the
The
ship.
artist.
Oh, this was originally a tattoo. Did I miss that?
No. So just the ship. I
He drew
reached
the
out to
ship.
a tattoo artist to draw the ship
Okay, so you were really intent
it.
on that specific
idea. Yeah. And then paired with like John Mayer's Born and Raised. And so
I got you. Hey, quick question. Are you making music or are you building a career? Because those are two very different things. Inside the Anthem Network, we teach you how to do both. Links below. This is a cool one that we just had made up for Klein's album called Deeper Living. And this is through Midjourney. And I'm thinking when we do the AI course and everything that I'll do a walkthrough of Midjourney because that's one that I've been using for creating cover art. Dude, but like yours having a little human element and then taking that human element and being able to drastically improve it
sure.
in a way that like you almost can't do
Sure.
as a human, like it's brilliant. It's fantastic.
Well,
Yeah,
I
that's the only thing.
listened to John Mayer talk about that album cover, and he had this artist that did this massive thing, and he loved his style, and you know he paid a ton of money to do that, and I mean a $20 monthly fee to be able to do that. I mean, I worked on it a long time and manipulated it a long time, and had to use a bunch of different prompts and text and stuff. But even I found one more thing, and I'll shut up. This I've been using OpenArt.Ai, and so they I've even used prompts to like
That's cool.
Whoa.
animate it, which has been really cool. And so we're doing a thing this weekend. We're doing a thing this weekend, and I got the screen dimensions, and so that'll be like LED wall backgrounds, and so
That's so cool.
like been manipulating that for like socials and all of that too. Has been really cool to like dig into and work through. So
Can you make them walk the plank?
probably,
Is there
yeah,
a prompt for that?
probably, yeah.
Jack Sparrow prompt.
I'm gonna put myself in there walking the plank.
Before you head out, if that session gave you just one good idea, imagine what'll happen when you're actually in the room with us every week. That's what the Anthem Network is all about. Artists connecting, getting real-time feedback, and taking action together. You can join right now with a 7-day free trial and be part of the next live call for free. Don't just watch other artists grow with them. Click the link in the description and we'll see you on the next call.